friends, I am Dr. Preeti Arya. I am a dermatologist and cosmetologist. I am practicing in Gurgaon and associated with the Fortis Hospital. Today I am helping you with few frequently asked questions on acne. Acne is the most physiological problem which we are seeing in young and adult males as well as females, which is bothering them with their social acceptability. It is a hormone related issue. It comes with different presentations. Common presentations can be a blackhead, a whitehead, a very common, which is a layman word known as a pimple. Medically, we call it a papule. It can be bacterially infected, which becomes a pimple. And if severely infected, it can give you a painful nodule as well as some cyst formations. There are many causes of acne, but most common causes can be hormonal changes as the teenage and adult hormones issues, imbalances are there. Food related issue. Today children are taking a lot of junk food and oily food. Erratic lifestyle is giving a lot of acne. Weight gain, stress gives you a lot of acne. There are few medicines which can also give you acne. Then commonly girls are wearing a lot of makeup these days, which is clogging your pores and can give you acne. Foods which are commonly associated to aggravate acne can be junk food like lot of oily pizzas, pasta, continental, soya products, MSG related products. Aerated drinks have a lot of deterrent effects on acne. Chocolates, lot of high spicy food has been shown to aggravate your acne issues. A very common practice is to pop out the pimple as soon as you see it coming up. But the popping of the pimple can give you two kind of problems. One, it can spread the bacteria which the pimple is carrying, and secondly, it can lead to a permanent damage or a permanent acne scar. So please avoid using such a practice. Acne scars can be of different levels and grading. So please, whenever you have acne scars, consult a proper dermatologist. He or she will assess you properly, and depending upon the severity of the scars, there are few medical managements. But usually in acne scars, we need few procedural helps, like many advanced lasers are available which can help to correct and resurface your acne scars. To prevent acne, we can follow some daily common regimes, like we can do the regular cleansing, toning, moisturizing and protection of the skin by using sunscreens. Your face wash should be appropriate as per your skin type. You have to select the right face wash. Makeup product should be your skin friendly product. It should not be an oil based product. You shall be taking off your makeup as early as possible. You should not wear it overnight. We can try to detoxify our body by taking at least 10 to 12 glasses of water, 3 to 4 fruits which are seasonal, roughage based vegetables, lot of fibers, include lot of fibers in your diet, have a peaceful 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Foods such as papaya, tomato, neem, they are known to give you lot of relief in acne.